Hi everyone, Miss Lamb here. Today we're going to be troubleshooting a couple common issues on the trumpet. The first thing you want to check for is making sure that you're sitting up nice and tall, your feet are on the floor, and that you are engaging your core and breathing correctly, because that can actually solve a lot of problems that occur on the instrument. Another thing to think about is having a difficult time like getting any sound out, or a clear sound, like it's really, really airy. And a lot of times the result is that your aperture, which is the opening between your lips, is just too big. So your top lip and your bottom lip vibrating together, that makes a sound, right? The instrument just amplifies that. So if this is too open and they're not making contact with each other, then you're not gonna get any sound out of the trumpet. So if you're getting that really raspy sound, just try furring up a little bit more here and closing those lips a little more and really making that aperture smaller. And that'll kind of help get your trumpet sound out. Now, another issue sometimes people have is getting higher on the trumpet, getting those notes in the upper register. So some issues that could be causing that is if you're puffing your cheeks, right, like that, instead of being firm here and having flat cheeks. Another thing that could be causing it as well is not thinking about vowel sounds. So O we think about for the lower register, ah is more mid register, and then that upper register we think E, and we'll talk about this a lot in lessons too. But what that's doing when you think about those vowels is actually changing the placement of your tongue in your mouth. So it's low when it's O, ah is kind of mid in your mouth, and then E brings that tongue up, and that'll help get the airstream moving faster. In addition to kind of making the aperture smaller, that opening in your lips smaller as well. So those are some common things on the trumpet, and again, we'll keep going over these in lessons, and I will see you next week. Bye.